for the opportunity given to me. Uh, I have seen your comma, and the very first thing which strikes my mind is that the people who have started this all are very humble people. They are not claiming to put a full stop or to be a full stop. They are simply, humbly saying it's a comma. Comma means rest. Comma means continuity. For running a newspaper or for running a bulletin, you require both. You require dynamism and you require a little cool of mind, which is reflected in this word comma. It's not just a short form for communication and management bulletin. It basically represents the very spirit of this what should I say, periodical? Will it be? I really congratulate all those people who have been associated with the endeavor. Friends, another thing which struck me was the absence of political news. These days our newspapers are obsessed with that. In fact, what we regret that our achievements are the issues which concern human destiny very gravely and very poignantly. They don't get reflected in the newspapers. Newspapers these days, they have their own TRP system, their own TG system, and that TG thing does not care much about the real issues. Like I saw here, you people discussing global warming on the front page. Now, today when we are pitted against this problem of climate change, at that time there should be an attempt on the part of the media, on the part of the newspapers, to awaken the people on this issue, to create awareness on this issue. But somehow that thing is lacking. In fact, World Information Order these days is influenced or dominated by the American interest or US interest, and as their media is controlled by the corporate interest, so they do their own planning to shape public opinion on such issues. And if climate change issues are not very palatable in their interests, so they do a kind of distortion, a kind of reshaping the entire debate on climate change. And this is one area where those who are upcoming with their own media strategy, or people who are coming up with their own media dreams, so they must try to create a kind of alternative information order, and that kind of desire is reflected in this bulletin, and for that I will congratulate all of you. Another thing which has caught my attention was the advertisements. All the advertisements I have seen created by students, and I am not in a position to say that these students are in a learning mode. In fact, they have learned enough, and the proficiency is reflected. It's not the kind of learning desire or learning stage which is reflected. Proficiency. And I think anyone, those who have created these advertisements, uh, they have graduated enough to go to any advertisement agency and show these things. They will certainly qualify for whatever they want. So I again congratulate you people for coming up with this. I hope this will continue. This will give you people an opportunity to not only cover in a journalistic fashion, but also to make it more creative, like you have done in advertisements. Normally the problem with journalism is a little different. The difference between journalism and literature, people say, is very wide. Literature, people say, is not read, and journalism, people say, is not worth reading. But you have made it worth reading, and that is the best part of it. And that's why I congratulate you all, everyone associated with this. All the very best.